everyone, my name is Shruti and I'm from the operations team of Frankly. I'm here to bring you out some of the major updates and points that we should keep in mind while being in the team. So first will be active listening. When we onboard a client and we give them the tool to manage, there can be many concerns or issues that they encounter. So we should always have the skill to listen to their problems, sympathize and empathize with them to the concerns and make them understand that we are working on their problems and we are trying to resolve them as soon as possible. The second point will be ownership. So once the clients report any issues to us or any concerns, minor concerns also, we are the ones responsible for them to resolve it till the time they are not completely updated to the client. So it is our responsibility to check the issues, take the ownership and update the clients as soon as they get resolved. Third point will be feedback. Whenever a client is encountering any problems and we are resolving it, it is very important for us to take the regular feedbacks. We onboard a client, we give them the tool to use, but we also need to understand and check the usage if they are utilizing the advantages and they're utilizing the tool properly, so that we will also have an idea about our tool, how it is helpful for brands, and we can improve the services or improve the updates of the tool if any. Now the fourth point will be time management. As a part of operations team, it is very important for us to manage all the clients at same time or maybe have the list of queries to be resolved at the day end. So it is very important for us to have those queries listed, get them resolved and manage our time accordingly. Now comes up the last and most important point, which is live updates. To stand by in the market, it is very important for us, and we are also bringing up the live updates for our clients to keep them updated with the new technologies coming up in the market. Nowadays, you must have seen that new innovative technologies are coming where people are using AI and different features to populate their brand, which we are already using. So this is one of the most important feature of Frankly, and we are also promoting this to keep updated our clients with whatever live updates we are doing, whatever feature updates we are coming up with. Thank you so much for your time.